Hello students, let's start a new chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes, right? So we have two types of shapes. In your previous classes you have read about these shapes, that these are known as plane shapes or 2D shape. So what are 2D shapes? Two-dimensional. That means those shapes which have only two dimensions, like square, rectangle, circle, triangle. These shapes have only two dimensions, that is length and breadth, right? So these have only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. That is why they are called two dimension. Now we will study about the three-dimensional shapes. So solid shapes are known as three-dimensional shapes. 3D. That means three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means these are having three dimensions, like they have breadth, length, and they also have height, right? Like if I talk about this duster, this has length, breadth, this is the breadth and the height also, right? This duster has length, breadth and height. That means this is a 3D shape or 3D object. Okay. So visualizing, what we are meaning with the visualizing. Visualizing means view. View means how these shapes looks from different ways, right? If you are looking from here, from the front, what is the shape you are seeing? Only this one. This the only thing you can see. So this is the front view, right? If I show you from this side of the duster, this will show you the side view, right? And if I show you the top, this is the top, so the top will be like this. This is the top view. That means a thing or 3D shape can have different views. So in this chapter we will study about only three views, that is front, side and top. Alright. So let's take another example. So I have a chalk box. Alright. So the front view is this. This one is front view. So I am drawing it like this. So this is the front view. Okay. Side view is little bit thinner than the front view. So this is the side view. And if I talk about the top view, this is the top view. Alright. If I talk about the different shapes which have different things, like this test tube. If I talk about this test tube, what you are seeing in the front? You are seeing this in the front. So this is the front view, right? So all the question of exercise 10.1 is based on these type of views. So you can easily find out how the object look from front, side and top view. Alright. So try the exercise 10.1.